Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between interim dividend and final dividend. Number 1. Interim dividend is a dividend declared during the financial year, whereas final dividend is a dividend declared after the financial year closes. Number 2. Interim dividend is paid before the final accounts are completed, whereas final dividend is paid after the annual accounts are finalized. Number 3. Interim dividend is declared between annual general meetings, whereas final dividend is usually proposed after year-end and approved at the AGM. Number 4. Interim dividend is based on current or half-year profits, whereas final dividend is based on full-year profits. Number 5. Interim dividend may be declared one or more times in a year, whereas final dividend is usually declared once per year. Number 6. Interim dividend is less certain and more discretionary, whereas final dividend is often more expected in established dividend-paying firms. Number 7. Interim dividend is usually declared by the board of directors, whereas final dividend is commonly recommended by the board and approved by shareholders. Number 8. Interim dividend uses interim financial statements, whereas final dividend uses audited annual financial statements. Number 9. Interim dividend gives earlier cash flow to shareholders, whereas final dividend provides year-end income distribution. Number 10. Interim dividend gives management flexibility during the year, whereas final dividend reflects a more complete assessment of company performance. Number 11. Interim dividend is more sensitive to changing business conditions, whereas final dividend is usually more stable once approved. Number 12. Interim dividend is often smaller or more cautious, whereas final dividend may be larger depending on full-year earnings. Number 13. Interim dividend signals confidence during the year, whereas final dividend signals overall annual profitability and stability. Number 14. Interim dividend is best for investors wanting earlier or periodic income, whereas final dividend is better for investors evaluating full-year returns and long-term consistency. Number 15. Interim dividend focuses on distributing income earlier in the year, whereas final dividend focuses on distributing profits after the full-year review. So, the quick takeaway is that interim dividends provide income earlier during the year, whereas final dividends are declared after year-end based on full-year results. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.